Hi ladies, so I'm going to show you how to apply your Jamberry nail wraps. You're going to need your nail wraps, nail file, nail scissors, cuticle pusher, tweezers, buffer block, your mini heater, rubbing alcohol or alcohol wipes, and your nail polish remover. So the first thing you're going to do, I like to make sure all the residue is off my nails with the nail polish remover. So I just go over my nails with that. And after that, I push back all my cuticles, even those pesky invisible cuticles. So make sure you do that. And all the fingers you're going to apply your nails on. When you're done with that, you're going to buff your nails. You want to get those edges rough so your nail wraps have something to stick to. And lastly, with the nail prep, you're going to take the rubbing alcohol and you're just going to go over your nails one more time to get the oils out. So, you're going to size the wraps. These wraps come with a clear backing so you can easily see if they fit your nail. So you're just going to match your nail off the bat, and what you are going to want to do is make sure that you do see part of your nail showing on the sides so it isn't touching your skin after you're done. I then cut that out and I size the wrap to my nail. After I do that, I take it off of this clear backing, not touching it with my fingers because you don't want any oils getting on it. I use the tweezers to pick it up. And then I hold it in front of the mini heater for 3 to 5 seconds until it gets nice and flexible like that. And then I'm going to place it onto my finger. You can touch the part that's not going to touch your nail, that you're just gonna cut off because it's excess, so that's fine to do, like I just did there. And then you're gonna add pressure all around. Make sure all the buttons are out. Use the cuticle pusher to add some pressure. And you're gonna put it up into heat again. Add some pressure again. Heat and pressure are your friends when you do this. No such thing as too much pressure or too much heat. I mean, there's such thing as too much heat, but you're not going to get there. I like using a plastic baggie to wrap my finger around tightly, so that kind of vacuum seals it, and it seals all the edges and everything. So you're going to do that. Some more pressure again. After you add pressure, you will get the excess off. You will file at a 90-degree angle, so it kind of just perforates it down. So there's that one. I'm going to show you another method that I like doing too. Everything is the same. You size it the same way, prep it the same way. But this is called the cold application method. So after you get it off the bat with your tweezers, what you're going to want to do, instead of heating it up first, you're going to just place it on cold, line it up perfectly before you heat it, and then you're going to heat it up. And then you add pressure again. Use the baggie again as well. Add some more pressure. And file that excess off. Voila! You got your second nail, and that's cold application. So I hope that was informative, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate.